Good morning, daydreamers. So today we are actually gonna visit downtown Disney. First time kind of being really out the house. So we're gonna see what exactly is open, how they take care of everything with all that's going on. So for one, parking is in the Simba parking lot, which is like right behind the Paradise Pier Hotel. It is self-parking. You just go in, and for the time being, it is free as well. So you just drive past the cast members and just park, and then now we gotta figure out which way to head, and then we'll go ahead and go through. I know they'll do a temperature screening as well as a bag check, and then we'll be inside and get to see some Disney magic that we missed. Yes. But as always, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, and then we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Yeah, so Paradise Pier is there, and then we have the Disneyland Hotel over here. Now we're just walking that way, and we can see signs requiring face coverings, and then the temperature check is just up ahead. It's hard to see, but there's a vending machine, and I think that's where they sell masks. They do have social distance.
Great. My name is Catherine.
Awesome. And then now to go for a bag check. Alright, we made it inside, and just hearing the Esplanade music from like what you normally hear at the Disney parks is like perfect. Like, I'm excited. But there's also hand sanitizing stations as well. I'm just like overjoyed. I'm gonna get some hand sanitizer too. So it's kind of not that crowded so far, but we do have a line to get into, I'm assuming, the pin place. Yeah, because the line's out here. Should go check out some pins. And still more signs and hand sanitizer around. A line to get in the Lego store. There are also some stations to actually wash your hands with, and social distancing markers everywhere. And I do notice that the tables outside for outside dining are spaced out. Ooh. And the same with over there. But walking that way more. In the World of Disney, which so far it has the longest line, and understandably. So now we're gonna try to go. Let's go inside and check out all the magic. Okay, so we're currently got in line, and we're like at the halfway section of World of Disney. If you know how long it is. Yes, we're like at the halfway point. So it's not too bad. We'll see how long it takes. Just made it in, and they have like a lot of cute stuff. All these like hair ties, a bunny and ducky, and this lounge fly little wristlet, adorable. Got some tumblers. And a bunch of just Pixar stuff all here. We got a bunch of new tumblers. And then for the Starbucks lovers, they have the ceramic mugs. So they're $25. Got DCA, Disneyland, the same on the cups. They also have face masks. And so here are the youth sizes. And you got Haunted. That looks like Tomorrowland. Not too sure. Looks like Small World. And then you got character faces. Let's see. And then you got the adults. And the only thing here that I'm seeing is just Hulk. A bunch of just Hulk masks.
Which one should I get? This is a frog. This one has
We have some cute like retro Disneyland Hotel merch. And then a towel. And then you got also for the 65th anniversary, got some Mickeys. Spirit jersey. Cute. And if you're into puzzles, this one's super cute. And then they also have these Haunted Mansion stretching portrait ones.
Right here. Okay, that's a 500.
They're cool. And then some new Mulan merch. These Goncha ears are so cute. The same with these like lollipop themed ears. So cute. Also the small section where it's buy one get one free because they're like dated products. So you have some graduation caps and ears. And then you got the graduation Mickey and Minnie. As well as, yes, some 2020 merch.
What's up? I'm running errands with my bag.
And yeah, so some of these are buy one get one free. Some pins and stuff. And then we have GCA and of course Disneyland. Oh, so close yet so far. Cast members did say that if you are planning on taking pictures just like in front of the Disneyland where they have like a rope spread off, or in front of a GCA, you do have to have your mask on. So they really are being on top of like wearing your mask, also social distancing, like the little tape things that they have on the floor. Yeah, so so far we feel pretty good, like with the hand sanitizing stations or even the hand washing stations. Social distancing, everyone's pretty good about keeping their masks on. It's been nice. This is a little hot, but I'm not complaining. It's all good. Now just try to see if we can take our picture in front of magical. So I know in this water fountain there is a hidden Mickey. Just gotta find it. There it is. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there in the corner. Okay, so I'm sitting down to take a break because it's a little hot and just waiting for my family. But I have noticed that when people do take off their mask, it's to like essentially take a break and to bug. I don't even know why I do that. Essentially to like eat or like snack on whatever. And then even around these seats area, there are like some social distancing markers. So we're still having that space. And in terms of lines to go into stores, the World of Disney store, honestly, like it may seem like there's a line, but it was very like quick to get in. It was probably like at most like 2 minutes. It was just like walking on. Am I going on a ride? No, I'm not. Walking into the store. Sorry, it's really hot. And then the longest line is actually for Marceline's Confectionery. So the candy place is where I waited like maybe 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. But I got there at a good time. And then you also have to take a number for them to call you so you can pick your caramel apples or other goodies. And that's what I basically noticed other than the pin place there. But yeah, I feel like it's a lot not as crowded on a weekday than it is on a weekend. But I'm not too sure because I haven't been on the weekend. But everything seemed pretty chill, I guess you could say. And the way that the cast members have been like handling cleaning and letting people know to keep their mask on and to social distance, it's been pretty good. So I feel good. Thank you. Hi guys. leaving. We didn't get to like actually explore all the stores, but which is okay. We were able to do what we wanted to do. Lines to get into stores weren't that bad, except for the candy store. That one I did have to wait a bit, but it wasn't like all that. Safety wise, I think we all felt pretty good, social distancing and blah blah blah. I'm just tired and it's hot. But anyways, as always, I'm just glad I brought you guys along with me, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!